What if I told you that the US Federal Reserve just made a move that could change everything for XRP? Reports are surfacing that they might be securing XRP at an unbelievable price of $10,000 per token. Yes, you heard that right, $1,000 for a single XRP. And if that wasn't shocking enough, Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has reportedly been presented with a surprising offer from the SEC. For years, XRP is being caught in a battle with regulators, but something big might be happening behind the scenes. The Federal Reserve's involvement with XRP, if true, could signal a massive shift in how digital currencies are used in the financial system. Meanwhile, the SEC, which has been in a legal fight with Ripple, may now be looking for a way out. Why? What's driving these sudden changes? And most importantly, what does this mean for XRP holders? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we'll break down everything you need to know about the Federal Reserve's rumored XRP acquisition, the SEC's unexpected move, and the possible future of one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the world. For years, the Federal Reserve has controlled the global financial system with traditional banking methods, but the rise of digital currencies has started to change everything. With faster transactions, lower fees, and borderless payments, cryptocurrencies like XRP are challenging the old system. But here's the real shocker there. A report suggesting that the Federal Reserve is not just watching this change happen, but actively securing XRP at a staggering $10,000 per token. Now, why would the Fed, the backbone of the US financial system, be interested in XRP? The answer might lie in XRP's technology. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP was designed for financial institutions. It allows banks to move money across borders in seconds, cutting out expensive intermediaries. If the Federal Reserve wants to stay ahead in the digital age, integrating XRP could be a logical step. But where does the $10,000 price come from? Some believe that if XRP were to be adopted as a global bridge currency, its value would have to reflect the amount of liquidity needed to support the trillions of dollars flowing through the financial system. A higher valuation would mean XRP could handle large transactions with minimal supply movement, making it an ideal asset for instant settlements. If these reports are true, this could be the biggest shift in the history of cryptocurrency. It could mean XRP isn't just another digital token, it might become part of the global banking infrastructure. And if that happens, the price could explode beyond anything we've seen before. But that's not the only surprising news. The SEC, which has been battling Ripple for years, may have just made a major offer to Ripple's CEO. Let's dive into what's really going on behind the scenes. For over 3 years, Ripple has been locked in a legal battle with the SEC, a case that has shaken the entire crypto market. The SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, a claim that has put massive pressure on the company and its leadership. But now, something unexpected might be happening. The SEC has reportedly presented Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse with a settlement offer. This raises a big question. Why now? The SEC has been aggressively pushing its case against Ripple, refusing to back down. But after several legal setbacks, it seems they might be looking for a way to end the fight without risking a total loss. In recent months, key court rulings have favored Ripple, including a judge determining that XRP itself is not a security when sold on secondary markets. These decisions have weakened the SEC's position, and they may now be scrambling to cut a deal before losing even more control over crypto regulation. So, what could this settlement include? Some experts believe the SEC may offer Ripple a fine in exchange for officially classifying XRP as a non-security. If true, this would be a game changer, not just for Ripple, but for the entire crypto industry. A legal victory or settlement in Ripple's favor could set a precedent that protects other cryptocurrencies from facing similar lawsuits. But here's where things get even more interesting. If Ripple agrees to settle, it could remove the last major obstacle preventing XRP from full-scale adoption by financial institutions. And with rumors of the Federal Reserve's involvement, the timing couldn't be more suspicious. Could it be that regulators are finally realizing that XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency, but a critical tool for the future of finance? And if that's the case, what happens next? Let's explore how this could impact XRP's future and whether we could actually see its price skyrocket. If the Federal Reserve is truly securing XRP at $10,000 per token and the SEC is looking for a way to settle its lawsuit, then we are witnessing one of the biggest turning points in cryptocurrency history. But what does this mean for XRP's future? Could we finally see mass adoption, or is this just another rumor? First, if XRP is classified as a non-security, it removes the biggest roadblock stopping banks and institutions from fully integrating it into their financial systems. Right now, many companies have been hesitant to use XRP because of regulatory uncertainty. But if the SEC backs down, we could see a flood of financial institutions adopting XRP as their go-to solution for instant global payments. This would drive massive demand for the token, which could push its price to levels we've never seen before. Second, let's consider the potential for mainstream adoption. XRP was designed to replace outdated financial systems like SWIFT, which still relies on slow, expensive cross-border transactions. If XRP becomes the standard for international banking, it could be used by major institutions, central banks, and even governments. This could cement XRP as one of the most valuable digital assets in the world. But what about the price? Could XRP really reach $10,000 per token? Some experts believe it's possible if XRP becomes the bridge asset for the global economy. The logic is simple. If trillions of dollars start flowing through the XRP ledger, the price must reflect the liquidity needed to support those transactions. While it may seem impossible today, history has shown that when financial systems evolve, assets tied to those systems can experience explosive growth. Of course, there are still uncertainties. Will Ripple accept the SEC settlement? Will the Federal Reserve officially announce its involvement? And most importantly, how will the market react to these developments? One thing is for sure, XRP's future is more uncertain yet more exciting than ever before. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a look at what top analysts and crypto investors are saying about this situation. Could XRP really be on the verge of something huge? Let's find out. With all these shocking developments, what are crypto experts and major investors saying about XRP's future? Could the Federal Reserve's rumored acquisition and the SEC's settlement proposal really push XRP into a new era of adoption? Many analysts believe that if XRP gets regulatory clarity, its price could skyrocket. One of the biggest obstacles holding XRP back has been the uncertainty surrounding the SEC lawsuit. If that issue is finally resolved, institutional investors who have been waiting on the sidelines could rush in, driving demand to unprecedented levels. Some experts argue that XRP has the perfect infrastructure to become a global reserve asset, especially if central banks begin